Speaking of your facility, Aaron, so we're going to be on a tour there. How is the facility laid out? Can you give us kind of a little bit of a description about what everyone's going to be seeing as we walk through your facility?
Absolutely. So our plan is to bring the buses into our loading dock area. That's going to be the easiest place to bring a bus in and unload everyone. So instead of coming through our normal entrances, we're actually going to walk directly into our newer lead-free casting facility. So this was built in 2005. It's the 7 kettles I mentioned earlier. We're going to walk right into that facility, and you're going to be able to see right away. This is where the kettles are loaded. This is what molten solder looks like. This is how we cast. We're going to show our vacuum casting procedure. The vacuum casting apparatus was originally patented. Patent has since run out. We just say that it's exclusive. We don't know of any other solder manufacturer that's casting this way. A lot do continuous casting or casting from the bottom of the kettle. We're actually drawing from the top of the kettle using our vacuum casters. In that same room is a cell where we make our tin copper master alloys. And I'm hoping that we can time it right that you guys will all get to see us pouring molten copper into molten tin. The guys are in the full reflective suits with the face shields. The copper's glowing bright orange, and we're pouring that into the molten tin. It's pretty neat to see, and I think we'll be able to get the groups a visual of that in that room as well. From there, we're going to split everybody up into probably 3 to 4 groups, depending on the number of people that we have in attendance. And we're going to take you around the facility to different locations.
Aaron, I'm really excited to see your facility. I mean, we've all used your products, and I have a very vague idea of how it's made, so I'm excited about it. We always talk about getting the most value out of a NARSA membership, and a big part of that is just going to the conference. Um, why do you think that's important, and how do you think maybe someone that's new to the organization can get the most out of going to the conference at your facility?
So I think this group and these conferences are like most. You're going to get out of it what you put into it. If you pay for a gym membership and you send that check off or it automatically debits from your account every month, but you never set foot in the facility, I promise you're not going to get stronger. You're not going to lose weight. You're not going to gain endurance. You got to get in there, lift the weights, get on the treadmill. Same thing with the NARSA membership. You send a check off to headquarters and you put that logo up on your website, but you don't read the magazine, you don't listen to the podcast, you don't come to the in-person events, you're not going to grow. You're not going to get anything out of it. Your business isn't going to get stronger. By being in the room, I don't know what it is that you're going to hear, who it is that you're going to talk to, but somewhere you're going to pick up an idea or a connection, and that is what you're going to take back to your facility to grow your business and make it stronger and more profitable.
Aaron, we've talked about this for like over 10 years now. Why didn't you bring up that gym membership thing before? Like, I think that's a good one.
It
It's the
really
first
is.
time I'm hearing it. I'm kind of disappointed that you held that one back for this podcast. But I
I
mean
wish I could say I was holding it back.
that's the perfect, it really is the perfect analogy though. It really is. Like I think that we need to roll with that one going forward. If you don't put anything into it, you're not going to get anything out of it. And I always say, just like you said, what you're going to learn is, yeah, you might learn some things from the brown tables and the seminars, but what you're going to really learn is that connection you make in the hallway with someone that's telling you about what they're doing in Texas that you never heard about, and maybe that could be the next direction of your business. And yeah, I always encourage people, you got to go, you got to get the most out of it. And this is going to be a really good one. I think we're going to have good attendance on it, and you're going to be learning about something that most people never get to see. So.